Is your pre-collision warning light stuck on your dashboard? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn it off. First, check for any obstructions. The pre-collision system uses sensors on the front grille and a camera behind the rearview mirror. Dirt, snow, or debris can block these sensors, causing the warning light to stay on. Simply clean the sensors and camera with a soft cloth. Once they're clear, restart your car to see if the light resets. If cleaning the sensors doesn't work, you can manually turn off the pre-collision system. Locate the PC's button on your dashboard or near the steering wheel. It usually looks like this. Press and hold the PC's button for 3 to 5 seconds until the warning light turns off. If your vehicle doesn't have a physical button, you can do it through the infotainment system. Go to Settings, Safety, Pre-collision System, Off. This will temporarily disable the system and turn off the light. And that's how to quickly and easily turn off the pre-collision warning light. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more dashboard warning light fixes.